Gboard is the most used keyboard app, and in this video we'll explore its limitations. So, let us begin. First we'll talk about its look. On the top is this row containing some shortcuts. You can tap here to see all the options and then move them around to place the features you need on the top. I have the clipboard, theme and settings options. You can also have the number row and the emoji row. To enable and disable the number row, go to settings and then preferences. You'll find the option at the top. For the emoji line, you'll need to go to emojis and adjust the first option. The emoji row shows your most used emojis. I like to have both activated for easier access because I have a big screen. Another way to customize Gboard is by adjusting preferences. This adds an emoji button and I like it to vibrate a little bit when typing. Also, this option is checked so I can see what button is typed. However, it goes very fast, so seeing them is hard most of the time. Gboard has themes and theme builder. You'll find default themes on the top followed by the builder to choose a background. We get colors, images and gradients. Just pick one and activate it. Each theme has the key borders option. However, the best feature is creating your own theme. Tap here and choose an image. Adjust the image position and zoom. Then is the brightness. Adjust the scale to find that perfect look. Lastly, disable key borders if you don't like them. Great! Our own theme is now active. You can edit this theme at any time. Depending on your language, you will have some text correction options. You can show the suggestion row, block offensive words, autocorrect text, spell check and more. This whole section is about typing faster and more efficiently. Check this if you want your context to be suggested while typing. We also get glide typing, which is swipe typing in other keyboards. It is enabled by default. Just swipe on letters to make out a word and the app will type that for you. It supports limited languages. The one option that I use a lot is shortcuts. Shortcuts help you type the sentences that you frequently type quickly with shortcut words. It's good for abbreviations and sentences. It's called the personal dictionary. Here you'll find your installed languages. Go into one or choose all languages. Tap plus on the top and type the words. Then set a shortcut. Now the app will suggest this phrase whenever you type this shortcut. You can swipe the saved phrase as well and the app will insert the whole thing. Isn't that great? The next topic is languages. Gboard supports over 500 and tap here to add one. Search for the one to see all its input types. Many languages have those types and you can download one or all of them. Also, some languages support multilingual typing, which means you'll see suggestions in both languages. To quickly change the language while typing, hold the space to see the options. Gboard also has lots of emoji options. This icon opens the whole system where we find emojis, stickers, GIFs and more. We find a universal search to search through all the options. Type something and move around to see the results. By default, the app also suggests emojis as you type the related words. I like that option, but you can turn it off from the emoji settings. Now let's cover some additional options. Gboard has a clipboard that you need to enable the first time. It saves the copied text. When you copy something, the app shows it on this row. We can tap on it to paste it. Also make sure this option is checked because the app will show the numbers and stuff separately from a copied text. The clipboard also supports pasting the recently taken screenshot, but you must enable the option here. Then is the voice typing. Voice typing is from Google, but the app can quickly start the voice input. This helps when you can't or don't want to type. Also, the voice input checks your current set language and looks up for that voice. It's pretty good. Anyway, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Take care.